In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a smooth summer transition in After Effects. No plugins needed, so let's get started. Alright guys, we're here in After Effects and as usual I'm gonna create new composition, hit here or on this little icon and I'm gonna rename it to Final. And this is gonna be full HD 1920 by 1080 and for the frame rate I'll do 25 frames per second. For duration you can type whatever you want here, I'll do 5 seconds just to show you how to create this cool looking transition. Now hit OK and as you can see I have already imported here inside the project window this Media 01. You will of course import your own, drag and drop here inside the final comp. Now make sure to unselect this Media 01 here inside the final comp and select this little icon, rectangle tool and just double click. And also make sure to set fill to white color and stroke to none. And as you can see we have created completely new shape layer 1. Now let's open up this little triangle for this rectangle 1. Open up rectangle path, uncheck this first option constraint proportions and for the X value I will type 320. I'll just uncheck the visibility for the Media 01 just to see this rectangle. Now select the shape layer 1, head over to Align panel. If you can't find Align panel, go to Window and you will find Align here. Okay, select the shape layer 1 and align it all the way to the left side, like so, and now we can animate. Set up our playhead to around 0 seconds and now let's open up Transform option. Uncheck also this option Constraint Proportion for the scale. Create the first keyframe and I'm gonna go 15 frames ahead like so and also create the second keyframe. Okay, now let's go on the first one and instead of 100 I will type for the Y value 0. And now when we hit 0 this is gonna be our base animation. Now select both of the keyframes, go right click keyframe assistance and hit here easy ease or just hit F9 on your keyboard. Go inside graph editor, if you can't find curve like this one go right click. And you can select this option, edit speed graph. Now select this handle, okay, and I'm gonna draw like this one. Okay, and now when we hit 0, this is gonna be our cool looking animation. Okay, now I'm gonna duplicate this shape layer 1. You can close this graph editor, hit Ctrl+D, and you can use Shift and right arrow on your keyboard and move the shape 2 close to this shape 1. Make sure that overlaps, like so. Now you can select this shape layer 1 and 2, hit Ctrl+D to duplicate them, move this one above, okay, and also use Shift on your keyboard and right arrow, move it all the way to the right side, and you can duplicate this one once again and repeat everything until you fill up all this final composition. Now here inside the final one just reposition everything 2 frames ahead and then shape layer 3 like so, and for the shape layer 6 10 frames ahead. And now when we hit 0, this is gonna be cool looking animation. Now I'm gonna select the shape layer 1 all the way up shape layer 6, right click, pre-compose and this is gonna be transition, hit OK, go back here inside the final one. Now I will turn on visibility for my Media 1. Let's duplicate this transition once again, hit Ctrl+D, move this first one below the Media 01, select the Media and upper one transition, move 2 frames ahead, like so. And for the first Media, hit here toggle switches and modes if you can't see track mattes. And for this Media 01, I'm gonna select this first transition. And select the second one, bottom one, go here inside the effects and presets. I'm gonna type fill effect, drag and drop onto the first transition, and you can basically play around here with the colors. I'll do just a random one, just to show you how this will look here inside the final composition. And guys, when we hit 0, this is gonna be great looking summer transition. In every moment you can select button transition and change color to whatever color you want. I'm gonna hit 0 once again and this looks cool to me. Okay guys, that was everything in today's tutorial, and if you found something new in this one, hit the like button, and also if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider to subscribe. This will help me a lot to grow my channel, and until next time, stay creative and bye bye.